Hi everyone, welcome back to yet another fresh natural looking summer makeup tutorial. I love how nice and glowy it looks without even using a highlighter. So if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Starting off with the Dermaco C-Cinamide Radiance Serum. It's the best vitamin C serum available in the market right now. This has 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C as well as niacinamide, and now it comes with an airless pump packaging. That means no oxidation at all. This is fragrance free, dermatologically tested, safe and effective to use. This is for dull skin, oily skin, sensitive skin or blemish prone skin. It starts clearing your skin, reduce dark spots, blemishes, pigmentation, acne scars and uneven skin tone in just 14 days. And also it gives so much glow to the skin. I love it. Next I have the Dermaco C-Cinamide Radiance Sunscreen Aqua Gel with vitamin C as well as niacinamide. This comes with SPF of 50 and PA4+. Vitamin C neutralizes the effect of free radical damage and it gives you a radiant even toned skin. On the other hand, niacinamide actively works towards reducing your dark spots. This particular sunscreen protects your skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays. It makes your skin glowing and even toned. It has a lightweight, quick absorbing formula that makes it a part of your skin without leaving any white cast. And by the way, this is a lightweight oil-free formula, so even if you have acne prone skin, you can totally use it. You are supposed to apply the sunscreen at least 15 to 20 minutes before sun exposure and reapply in every 4 hours. Guys, I love how it keeps my skin hydrated, glowy, dewy, juicy and moisturized. Highly recommend this one. Every time you buy from Dermaco, they will link your order to a child that they help educate. Along with Bhumi, they have pledged to help 10,000 plus students across the year. For my base makeup today, I'll be using the Eyebrow Must Have Waterproof Liquid Foundation. I'm in the shade Medium Beige. This gives you a creaseless, non-flaky, flawless, full coverage, smooth 24-hour matte finish, and it has the goodness of willow bark extract, coconut water and vitamin E. This is perfect for summer because this is sweat proof, and even if you sweat a lot, this is not gonna budge. Next, I'm gonna use the Rimmel London Match Perfection Loose Translucent Makeup Setting Powder. This is gonna give you a flawless natural finish. This is gonna set my makeup in place so that it doesn't move or budge. And to set the outer parameters of my face, I'm gonna use an oil-free matte compact powder. Using a makeup setting spray to deal with the powderiness and to set the base makeup into place. Now to give some color to my cheeks, I'll be using the Makeup Revolution Superdewy Liquid Blush in the shade You Got Me Blushing. It's such a beautiful formulation. I love the color, suitable for all Indian skin tone. It's very pigmented as well as buildable. It's not sticky or patchy on the skin and it gives you a natural flushed finish with a super dewy look. For my eyes today, I'll be using the KIRO Beauty Longwear Eyeshadow Stick in the shade Lunar Champagne. These are enriched with the goodness of vitamin C and mango seed oil. These are highly pigmented, long-wearing, blendable, and I love it in summer because they are water resistant, they don't smudge, they don't purge, and they stay on you throughout the day. I'm gonna quickly fill in the gaps of my brows with the Mist Clear Eyebrow Cake. To finish off the eyes, I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply 2 coats of mascara. Now I use waterproof mascaras because they hold the curl really well and they don't smudge or budge. And even if you sweat a lot, they are not gonna go. To complete the makeup look, I'm gonna use the Eyebrow Maxx Matte Liquid Lipstick. I will mention the shade in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. So yep, that's the completed makeup look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and join my fam. It would mean the absolute world to me. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.